I have fixed your doorbell from the ringing. There is no charge.
Thank you. What do you want?
I am from the telephone company. There is something the matter with your phone.
My phone?
But?
You said there's something the matter with my phone.
Yes.
My phone?
That is correct, yes. That is what I've been saying.
There's no trouble with the telephones here.
I know when there is a trouble and when there is not the trouble. And I can definitely tell you that there is a trouble. You may rest assured of that.
Since when?
Since it was reported.
I see. What is the trouble with the telephones?
If I knew that, I could simply call you up and tell you what the trouble is.
What's the trouble?
This man says we have trouble with our telephones.
Allow me to introduce myself. I am Emile Flournoy, communications expert and chief troubleshooter for the Nice Telephone Company.
Oh, please come in, monsieur. Now, what can we do to help you?
Which is your nearest phone?
There.
What? Ah, yes. Yes. This phone will not do at all. Show me another phone. It won't do at all, I'm afraid.
Show Monsieur
Flournoy.
Flournoy. The telephone in Sir Charles's study. I hope you locate the trouble, monsieur.
Madame, it is my business to locate trouble. No trouble back there.
If you require anything...
Monsieur, all I require is a phone, my little bag of tools, and some privacy in which to work. That is all I require.
Take that phone, but don't pick it up until I tell you.
taking the 5 o'clock plane for Switzerland. Have you got that?
Si. Switzerland.
Have you got the merchandise?
Si.
Good. I'll see you tomorrow at the Palace Hotel in Gstaad.
Si.
Goodbye.
Si. Goodbye.
Inspector?
Do not come in. Do not come in. I am making final delicate adjustments to the fin. I will tell you when it is safe to enter. These adjustments must not be interfered with, you know? Do not come in. I'm just putting my tools away. As I surmised, a slight malfunction with your phone, which I have repaired. Well, I must now return to my office and report my adjustments.
According to the authorities in Nice, he has so far demolished one swimming pool and 2 trucks. And he's on his way to Gstaad.
Gstaad?
Yes. Today, a paradise in the Swiss Alps. Tomorrow, a wasteland. Compared to Clousea, Attila the Hun was a Red Cross volunteer.
Oh, careful.
Huh? I put the real one in the bottom drawer.